Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 17 Woodland Circle here in Ludlow, Massachusetts.
You've got to come see this well cared for, custom built, 3-bedroom colonial featuring over 2,000 square feet of living space and sits on almost an acre of land.
Built by the owner with love, this home shines with beautiful red oak floors throughout, marble lined gas fireplace, main floor laundry with full bath, and a relaxing 4-season sunroom.
The updated black and white themed kitchen features granite countertops, tiled backsplash, recessed lighting, and stainless steel appliances.
You're not going to believe this custom home. From construction to completion, nothing was left to chance.
Upstairs, this incredible property boasts a master bedroom with ensuite and walk-in closet, as well as 2 additional bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom.
The circular staircase takes you into the finished basement featuring a billiards room, fireplace, recessed lighting, workshop, wine cellar, and so much more.
The grounds on this property are truly remarkable. High atop one of the most desirable locations in Ludlow, you're not going to want to miss this one.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 17 Woodland Circle here in Ludlow, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Wine Garden team, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you. This well cared. Cut that down. Bringing it down.
This main floor laundry with bath and a season sunroom.
Good job.
Tell that focus and concentration. Bing, bang, boom town.